Hello guys, welcome to Dedicated Core, the way by which you can able to set up your servers. We offer servers and server management for our clients. So in this video, we are going to show you how to install Plesk in your Ubuntu operating system. Before moving further, we would like to share you one thing. We already installed Plesk installation in Alma Linux, Rocky Linux, CentOS and Cloud Linux. Similarly, you can able to follow the same process for other operating systems, like Windows. Let me show you the official requirements for the Plesk. Plesk works on different operating systems like Debian, Ubuntu, CentOS, Red Hat, Cloud Linux, Alma Linux, Rocky Linux, and Virtualizer Linux. These are the Linux distribution. And when we talk about Windows, it works on Windows Servers, Standard Edition, Data Center Edition, and Established Edition on 2012, 2016, 2019, and 2022. And basically, when we say about the basic requirement for the hardware, it requires minimum 4 GB of RAM, 1 core CPU, 40 GB of SSD storage or NVMe storage. Both are faster, so you can able to go and buy from the Dedicated Core. And lastly, this is a 64-bit architecture. Now, we knows the basic information. The link is already given. You can able to go and learn. Now, one more question comes here. When we say Plesk comes with the various installations. The list is already included in the requirement link, which is already added in the description. Now, without wasting time, we will go ahead and start installation of Plesk. Very first, we need to update the system and hit enter. One more thing. To complete the Plesk installation, configuration and understanding everything about Plesk, we have already created a playlist. So you can able to go and watch that playlist. And this video is based specifically on Ubuntu. Once installation complete, then you can able to watch this playlist. After that, we will upgrade the system. Packages. It will ask for the permission, say yes and enter. In 2 to 3 minutes, the upgrade of the packages will complete. Again, this is only for the Ubuntu, and for remaining parts, you can able to watch the series given in the description, or you can able to go and watch from our YouTube channel. One last thing, if you need a full server management and servers like VPS, Windows Server, Linux Server, Storage Server, or a dedicated server, you can able to go and check our best quality and better price optimized servers from dedicatedcore.com. After that, we will download the latest Plesk installer. Once done, we need to change the permission to 755. Now, it is time to start the installation and hit enter. In this case, to start the installation, here we will enter F to go ahead. And then it will ask for the permission for further installation. In capital Y, say yes. The installation process is a time-taking process. So you should have to always make sure that you are running with a proper internet connection and avoid disconnection with the console. Here we will go with a recommended setting by choosing F capital and hit enter. Here there are 283 packages required for the product to function. So in this case, we can able to directly click on yes and hit enter. Now our actual installation process started. It will take a time, and once the completion, we will get back to you. Now our installation of Plesk has been completed. You can able to see that in the start of the video, we already said that Plesk come up with a predefined installations. So that are FTP, Git, WP Toolkit, Advisor, SEO Toolkit, Immunify 360 AV, SSL8, Let's Encrypt, Repair Kit, and there are a lot of things. And here you can able to see that congratulations, installation has been finished. To visit this, you can able to use this link or the below link. So in this case, I will try for this one. Let me copy this and open in the browser. Now you can able to see that we are on the browser, and from now onwards all the steps and information we are going to share in Alma Linux video series. So link is given in the description. You can able to watch to understand further Plesk installation with almost all possible settings which required to run a B specific project which depends on Plesk environment.